Today we'll be installing an EcoHitch part number X5006s on a Tesla Model Y. If you find this video helpful, consider giving it a like and hitting the subscribe button below for future installs. Raise the vehicle using Tesla-approved lifting points. Open the tailgate of the vehicle and pop out the round plugs from the plastic trim pieces on either side of the cargo opening. Unclip and remove the plastic panels from both sides of the vehicle. Remove the screws underneath the plastic panels. Remove 2 plastic pop pins on the wheel well liner on each side of the vehicle. Remove the plastic pop pins and bolts underneath the bumper fascia. To unclip the fenders, unsnap the wheel well fenders up to the 3rd clip. Then, remove the bolt located behind both wheel well fenders. Next, remove the bumper by unclipping the bumper fascia from the upper corner of each side of the vehicle. Unclip the bottom of the bumper from the forward underbody panel. Unplug the wiring harness that connects the bumper to the frame on passenger side of the vehicle. Remove the bumper fascia and set it in a safe place. For the removal of the cross member, remove the nuts holding the cross member mounting brackets to the vehicle. Remove the cross member and mounting brackets from the vehicle. Remove the nuts holding the cross member to the mounting brackets. Remove the bolt from the back of passenger side mounting bracket. Secure the cross member to the hitch using the 3/8 inch by 1 inch bolts with flat washers and fasten with 3/8 inch serrated flange nuts. The number of bolts needed may vary depending on the cross member. Torque the 3/8 inch bolts to 26 foot-pounds. From the back of the hitch, thread an M8 1¼ inch by 40 mm bolt with an M8 flat washer through passenger side plate, a 3/8 inch aluminum spacer, and into the cross member threads. Torque this M8 bolt to 25 foot-pounds. To install the hitch, place 2 3/8 inch nylon fender washers onto the bottom outer stud and 1 onto the bottom inner stud on the frame. Place the hitch with the cross member into position. Center the hitch, then reinstall the factory nuts. Torque the factory nuts to 38 foot-pounds. Reinstall the bumper with the hardware used in removal. Test taillights for function. Remove the plastic panel from the bumper fascia. Your EcoHitch is now installed.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.